Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It definitely helps me out and helps other members know when they post videos. Well, this particular recipe today, we're going to be making some strawberry ice cream, and this particular recipe comes from All I Dream About Food, and Carolyn Ketchum, I believe, is her last name. So if I mess up her last name pronunciation, I apologize. But anyways, the base of this recipe is all the same, and what you'll need for this particular recipe is 2 cups of heavy cream, which we have. We're going to whip that until it forms peaks, and then we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Now, I can't seem to find the condensed milk, the unsweetened condensed milk in the store, so I ordered it on Amazon. However, she does have some links on her video that how she makes condensed milk to make it sugar-free, and so maybe at some point I'll try that. But the base of this is all the same. And then for the strawberries, we're going to use a half a cup of pureed strawberries that are fresh, and you can use frozen as well. We're going to after we form the peaks with the heavy cream, we'll add the can of condensed milk, and then we'll continue mixing it a little bit with the mixer, and then we'll add those fresh strawberries. And you can add a little bit of vanilla extract or strawberry extract if you want it more, taste more like strawberry. And you can add some red food coloring to give it that authentic strawberry look. And and I'm probably going to add about 1/4 of a cup of powdered swerve just to give it a little more sweeter taste. And other than that, we should be good to go. So when we get everything all incorporated, we'll put it in some ice cream containers. I bought some I believe they're 1 quart ice cream containers with the cardboard with the lid. We'll seal them up and put them in the freezer and let it freeze overnight. And according to her, they keep about 4 to 6 weeks in the freezer. And we'll come back and talk about it the next day. And after I have them, you have to have them set for a while. So without further ado, why don't we just go right into the video, and we'll have all just music going until we come back and we talk about it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a terrific day. Thank you, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, this is a follow-up on the ice cream that we made the other day. Now, it's been a couple of days that I've had it in the freezer, and I wanted to try it with you guys, and I'll show you what it looks like from this. I put it in this 1 pint container that I got off of Amazon, and I got like about 20 of them with the lids. The lids are like that, and that's the ice cream. So let's turn the camera around and we'll give it a taste test. Well, actually, I can give it a taste test first and then we'll turn the camera around. Show you how soft it is. This is what that little spoon of it looks like. It's really, really good. It tastes like strawberry ice cream without all the carbs. But anyways, I'm going to show you what it looks like from this angle, so hang on. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, this is the follow-up of the ice cream video that we just did, and the recipe comes to you from All I Dream About Food from Carolyn Ketchum. She's a pretty awesome YouTube lady, and just thought I'd show you the ice cream final product, and came out of the freezer. I put them in these Amazon containers over here that I picked up, and they're 1 pint containers. I got like about 20 of them, I believe, with lids, and they were about under $20 or something like that. And I'll leave the link below the video. But we put 340 grams of fresh strawberries, and you can use frozen. We blend them until they were smooth. We set them aside, and then we used 2 cups of heavy cream, cold, and then we whipped it until they formed soft peaks. And then I added 1 can of sugar-free condensed milk, or 1 cup, and then I added the strawberry puree. But as I recall, on the strawberries that were fresh, I chopped them up a little bit, and then I added them up. I didn't puree them, I just put them in the way they were, and then I mixed them with the handheld mixer. And then I blended everything till they were smooth, and then I poured them into this container, for 1 pint container, and voila. And it does taste like strawberry ice cream. Oh, then I added some pink food coloring, or red food coloring, to give the authentic strawberry look, and that's optional. And I also added 1/4 of a cup of powdered swerve to give it a little more sweetness on the taste. And then when I blended everything together, it came out like this, and that's why we got some chunks of strawberry right within the ice cream itself. And so it tastes really, really good. I couldn't find any regular sugar-free condensed milk in the store. All they have is the regular kind, and there's a lot of carbs in condensed milk for the sugar, so I was avoid it. But you can get it on Amazon, and that's where I get most of my stuff when I can't find anything in a grocery store. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great week.